Hey, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how you use the 11.5, the Kangen water 11.5 on these tomatoes to basically use this as an emulsifier to get rid of all the pesticides and herbicides off these tomatoes. So I'm going to be pouring in this glass some tap water. So I'm going to fill this up just with ordinary tap water and pop it over here. And then this one here is I'm actually going to pour the 11.5 Kangen water into these tomatoes. And this one is actually the emulsifier. So this is just an experiment to actually show how tap water really doesn't take off anything at all. In fact, it adds more chemicals. And this one here is the emulsifier, which is actually going to take all the pesticides and the herbicides off. So I'm just going to wait for like 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how good this 11.5 is in taking all of the pesticides and herbicides off the tomatoes. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out all of the water from, this is the tap water. So I'm going to pop that into there. So that's cleaning your tomatoes just with normal water. And then this here is actually the 11.5, and you can actually see really clearly. I'm going to hold up like a white piece of paper here, and you can clearly see that from the tomatoes with the Kangen water, then you can actually see here that there's like a major difference. And what they do with the tomatoes in Australia is they actually use chemicals which are banned in America and also the UK, but Australia still uses it. And the pesticides and the herbicides that they actually, put on these tomatoes, a lot of them are actually fungicides, which we're actually consuming. So if you don't clean it with the 11.5, with the Kangen water, what's going to happen is really nothing. As you can see, this is just tap water, and you're going to be able to eat all the pesticides and the herbicides. But this is really a great clear example. It just looks absolutely, I don't even know what's in there, to be honest, but I know that it's pesticides and it's herbicides. So I just wanted to show you that, and this is from the 11.5 Kangen water.